How to add passkey in Roblox mobile. So let's get started. So firstly go into your Roblox. From here click on this more icon and scroll down. Now go in the settings. From here go in the account info. Now once you are in the account info my settings, from here you can see the option of the login methods. And here is the option of the tired of password login with your fingerprints, face ID or screen lock. Click on the add passkey. Now from here you have to enter the pin that is attached to your account, and once you add it you just have to click on the unlock and you are able to add the passkey. Now here is the passkey are the most secure and the easy way to log in into your Roblox account. So you have to click on the continue icon, and here you can one time code has been sent to your register email and you have to re-enter your one code time to continue, and that's how you can add the passkey in your Roblox mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.